In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a curve and a screw modifier to create this mesh. Let's add a reference image. I'll move it up a bit, and adjust the reference image settings to decrease its opacity. I found we can't move the reference image's origin, and I don't know if this is a bug or not. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. Try holding Ctrl and Shift while extruding, in order to precisely extrude in a straight line. For any angled parts, please place a point in the middle like this, and edit it later. The last point has to be 0, in order to screw the curve well. Select this sharp point, and type V as in Victor, and A to smooth it. Now we can use the handle to create a smooth shape. Let's convert it to mesh, add some loop cuts with Ctrl, R, and subdivide it. This part can be modeled the same way, or we can just use a cylinder like this. Let's apply the modifiers for both meshes, and join them with Ctrl+J shortcut. I'll create a simple scene. Let's create a ground plane, and duplicate the pin mesh twice. I'll create a simple ground material. I'll use the sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.